Hi friends, it's Cheryl from the Lifestyle Digs, and today I'm on the Camino de Santiago, hiking between Sarria and Portomarin, about 22 kilometers. It's raining on and off, mostly on, and there are a lot of pilgrims on the Camino today, especially hundreds of teenagers on a school outing for the week. Well, a little stop for lunch on the Camino. So I have almond cake here. I have my Coca-Cola, and I've got yogurt with honey, and that's actually a pretty good size yogurt. As you can see, it's about the cup is about the size of my hand. So yum yum yum. Little break for me. Here's this little bracelet thing that I bought today, and it says, "Don't dream your life. Live your dreams." That's what it's translated into English. No sueños tu vida, viva tus sueños. So that seems to be about right for me. There's little yellow arrows of the Camino. So very cute. I just thought it seemed pretty appropriate. Don't dream your life. Live your dreams. Seeing as how I have a moment without rain, here's this little church in this little town that I'm in. There's all these little catacombs. I guess people's remains are buried in them. But it's a really peaceful, very pretty little place here. Glad I stopped for lunch. Okay, so here's paths just leaning out on this marker. And this marker is important because now we are at 99.930 kilometers to Santiago. So this is a milestone, less than 100 kilometers to go. That would be kind of like the distance between maybe Chilliwack to Surrey if you're going down Highway 1. So there we are, Paz and I. We have reached a little milestone. There's your good girl.